fucking champ. Any message to Bird, the last champion? What's...
Come at me, bro.
Oh shit. Okay, so let me run it back a little. So back in March 2020, we had started this little competition to see who can take off the tire off and on the fastest. And Bubba, or Alan, aka Bubba, had the fastest time at a minute and 30 seconds. But then later came Jason Bird, who beat that time at a minute and 20 seconds. But later on, at the beginning of January, Kyle, aka the Grinch, beat that time by 1 minute and 17 seconds. So now it's back to Bubba defending the champion, and he wants to be the champion once again. And let's see if he can get that time under 1 minute and 17 seconds. Go, bro. You're gonna beat the champ or what? Look, you're already wearing the beanie. What does it say?
Champion. I heard there's a fake king
in town
calling out people. I heard his work ain't that great.
Oh shoot.
I heard
we don't be my stopwatch guy?
I heard he had
a what?
Cheating bet.
Oh, to the championship? He cheated?
Yeah, I heard he cheated his way in.
Alright. So you're the new champ, you're gonna be the... Okay, here we go.
Right. Get it tight, get it right. Miss Big Booty.
Previous champ. So any comments to Mr. Kyle? Especially that scream. You saw that message she sent you at the end, right?
Yeah, I'm making a comeback. Don't worry.
Making a comeback. That retired man right here. Any comments for Alan?
Alan's got this.
Oh, he's got...
Kyle's a bitch.
You're gonna hold on to that.
As soon as it let go,
as soon as you let go,
the time starts.
Okay, y'all ready?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Okay.
3.
1, 2.
Oh, you're doing it at 3?
Do they have a TPMS inside?
No.
It doesn't matter.
It
Go.
doesn't matter. Let's go 3, 2, 1, start.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, start.
Okay.
Looks like you lost another one.
Struggling.
Oh, hell nah. Remember, you get 3 tries. Oh, I'm assuming him Pete on the back. Look at him.
Good time, bro.
You still got a good time.
Okay, it's out.
Air it up to 35. Air it up to 35. Bro, come on. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Keep going. Stop so he can see at 35. It's almost there.
Got it.
Oh, what? Bro! Damn. Any message to Kyle? Hold on, let me get the microphone. Bro, you on your first fucking try. Oh, beep. Bro, what's your message, bro? You gonna scream like Kyle? Like how you did it?
Nah.
I'm gonna stay humble. He said it.
I'm gonna stay humble.
7 seconds. Kyle barely beat you. You beat, oh my God.
I want to tell Kyle that I think he's ready for a new career for him. He should move on.
To fabric. Second try, I'm recording again.
Second try. Mr. Teach Kyle, he ain't shit.
Oh shit. Microphone's ready. Timer's ready. He's ready. Previous champ, let's go.
2, 1.
Oh, my poor rim.
Where we at?
You're lying.
It's this shit I got.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the part that got me, that got him, got Chris.
Ah, shit. That's fucked up.
His confidence level. There we go, there we go, there we go. You're still in, you're still in, you're still in.
You can still beat Kyle outside.
Original time, huh? Oh, shit.
Go, 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 go.
Ah, I fucked up, huh? Ah, that's
You still beat Kyle outside.
You still beat him? You still beat him? Let me see. Oh, look at that. Second try, and he still beat you by 3 seconds.
I'm gonna stop
Just
already.
say go and I'll start it.
He's ready, he's ready, he's ready.
3, 2.
Getting me nervous.
1.
It's already out, it's already out.
Has to be 35, right?
Yeah. Oh, right there, right there. Almost. There you go. Yes, sir.